I don't freeze blueberries anymore, I just do this, and they look like they were picked yesterday, for years. I only need firm and healthy blueberries. I remove soft, damaged, and rotten blueberries. I will wash the blueberries. I will wash the blueberries carefully, without mashing. I need clean and washed jars. I'll fill the jars with blueberries. I will not press the blueberries. I want them to stay firm. I will not fill the jar to the top. Blueberries are a naturally sour fruit. That's why I don't add sugar or lemon here. Acidity is an important part of safe canning. I pour water into the jars to cover the blueberries. I will wipe the top of the jar so that the lid fits well. I close the jars with clean lids. I need a saucepan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. I put the jars in the pot. I pour water up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I will pasteurize it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of pasteurization, I remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jars to cool gradually in the water. When the jars have cooled, the center part of the lid must sink. I store the jars in a dark and cool place until use. If you liked the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.